Okay, we'll be doing today another 60 pieces puzzle. Ate, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Ate will be doing yeah, that's a beautiful dress. That's a flower. So, Ate will be doing the dinosaur puzzle. And I think this is easier than the other puzzles because it has plenty of colors. Okay, Ate.
Wow, yeah.
Where will you start?
So,
What? So you have plenty of dinosaurs here. So which dinosaur will you do? The purple, the orange, or the green dinosaur? Huh? Do you have something in mind? Okay, so I'll just help her turn the pieces over so that they will face up. Okay, ate. So, ayan. So where will you start? Which dinosaur do you want to do first? Uh, so you find... You could start with the purple dinosaur. You want to do the purple? Or the volcano? Or the orange dinosaur? Which one?
I want potato.
Okay, so let's start with the volcano. So where are the pieces of the volcano?
There.
Oh, there? Sige, you put it here na.
Me potato.
You see, I think this is also a volcano.
Potato.
Okay, so is this also a part of the volcano?
Yeah.
Yes. So where are the other parts of the volcano? This one, is that the volcano?
No.
This?
Yeah.
No? Yes. Oh, wow. Okay, that's good. Okay. And then where else? Okay.
No.
And then
Daddy. Potato. Daddy.
yes, that's a volcano. You have formed the volcano. Let's do the orange dinosaur because it's near the volcano. You like?
Yeah.
Oh, look! Oh, there's an eye.
Me potato.
Are you okay?
Me potato.
So I'll put the orange pieces here.
Potato there.
Yeah. Oh, so you try. Does it fit? Oh, that's good. Oh, it is very good. Okay, so let's do the orange dinosaur. Can you do the orange dinosaur because it's near the volcano? You try. Oh, that's good. Wow. Wow. Oh, is that correct?
Yeah.
Yes, that's correct. I thought it was wrong. I was wrong. Okay, so let's group together here the purple pieces. Oh, look. You put it there now. Look, that's the head of the dinosaur. So it should be around there.
No.
No? Why no? Oh, that's wrong.
One.
Okay, I think she's being stubborn again. Okay, I thought she was doing... How about this one? You try this one. This is correct man, diba? You did that kanina. Okay. So, what's next? So, let's have the green back.
Yeah.
So, I'll put here the green colors. Okay, so that is...
See that?
Wow, that's good.
No.
Okay. How about this one? Do you know where to put that?
Yeah.
Put it na. Oh, that's not correct, ate. Oh, that's not correct also. Ayo. Wow, that's good. She's dancing. Oh, how about the mouth of the dinosaur? Oh, that's good. Okay, she's moving again. We are moving again. How about this one, ate? I think this is correct.
Yeah.
You just have this here. Oh. Can you turn it around? Turn. Oh, should try to turn. I think that's correct. Okay, so I think the green dinosaur is about to be done. So you should try all the other green pieces. These are the green pieces. You could try them.
No,
No?
it's green. Yeah.
This is also a green piece. Okay, I think Ate is having a hard time with the green piece. You want to do the orange dinosaur?
Yes.
These are the orange pieces.
So, oh my,
Yeah, that's the orange dinosaur.
Tato,
Try this one out. This is another orange piece. These are the orange pieces. You should try the orange pieces.
no, it's purple, not here.
Ah, there's purple. Look, purple and orange. So they should be.
Purple.
Oh, yes.
No.
You don't like to do the purple? Okay.
No.
It does not fit.
It's not.
How about this one, Ate? Oh? Do you see that?
Yes.
It's okay. That's good. It's over there.
Not the purple.
So purple. Okay, you do the purple na lang. I think if you're able to figure that out, I think you could connect that to the orange dinosaur. I think she's. Well, I think that's. Oh, that's good.
No, it's one.
Oh, how about here, Ate? Oh? Can you try the purple here? Look, oh.
No, the border. Not the
Green and the purple, right? Look, Ate. Oh. Purple and green.
Oh, it's not the border.
Yes.
Not the border.
Yes.
Not the border.
You can try to put it here, oh.
Not the border.
She's not listening again. Okay, Ate, try to put it here and there. Look. Oh no, that's not correct. Oh no, that's correct.
Yeah, done.
I was wrong.
Done.
Huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, it's done. Oh, that's good. Oh no. Oh, that's good.
Not the border. Yeah.
Oh, how about this one, Ate? Oh, it's good. Okay, so let's hurry up. Oh, that's good. Then we have to find the corner. Is this the corner?
Yeah.
Okay, it's good. Uh, I think that the face now.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Not the.
Okay, so let's try to do the.
Not the. Not the ball.
Yeah. Oh, how about this one? Where do you put that one? It's the face of the dinosaur. Okay.
Here.
So,
What is it?
so where are we now? Okay, yeah. I'll help her fit this up
No.
because the pieces are quite hard to fit. Okay, Ate is moving finally. Alright. Well, that's good, Ate. You're doing fast na. But there's still many purple pieces here, Ate, which you could try. that's not correct. Oh, that's good. No, that's not correct. No, that's not. How about this one? You turn it around. Turn. Here, oh. Turn. That's correct. Wow, okay. Oh, so you finish all the purple pieces. Okay. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Okay. So yeah, she's doing fast because she's doing good. That's why she's being fast. Oh, that's not correct. Oh, you turn it around. Oh, okay. So it's there. Okay. So I think you'd be able. Oh, that's not correct, ate. So you should try all the pieces in the sides, so it will be easier that way. So these are the pieces on the sides, ate. So you could do them first. Wow. Okay. Or wow. Okay. Wow. That's good. You're doing very fast. Okay. So I think I will have to put all the pieces that fits in the side. Oh, that is doing fast. Oh, wow, that's really good. Okay. So I think it's near completion. No? Oh, that's not. I'm just being distracted again. Anyway, that's not correct. It's not correct.
No.
Wow, that is doing good. Wow. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, it's not correct, ate. Hey, okay, that's correct, but I thought it was wrong. Wow. Okay. You're very fast, ate. Yes, that's correct. Try the other pieces. Wow. Yeah, it's doing good. Wow. Wow, that's few pieces left na lang. Oh, and the last one. Wow, that is good. Very good. Can you give me a high five? Did you win, ate?
Yes.
Yeah, give a thumbs up. Wow, very good, ate. So this is another puzzle that Murray did, and it's a 60-piece puzzle, dinosaur puzzle.